Cathie Wood says we are entering the biggest innovation wave in human history, and that Tesla is actually the world's largest AI project, not a car company. She's talking about $1 trillion robot industries, AI taking over labor, and even curing diseases with code. Let's break it down in plain and simple English. The good, the bold, and maybe what she is missing. So let's go. Cathie Wood's investing thesis is built on 5 disruptive technology platforms: AI, robotics, energy storage, blockchain, and gene sequencing. These are not happening in isolation. They are compounding each other. AI makes robotics smarter, energy storage powers them, biotech gets boosted by machine learning. This creates a flywheel of innovation, and Cathie believes it will completely transform the global economy in next 5 to 10 years. Cathie says AI isn't just the next level tech trend, it's the biggest disruption ever. I agree. Companies that adopt AI will thrive. The companies that don't will possibly die or being replaced. We have seen the hype around Nvidia, but she believes the real opportunity lies in companies like Tesla and Palantir and others that are applying AI in the real world, not just selling chips. This is the infrastructure shift, like the internet in the 90s, but bigger. Here is the jaw dropper. Cathie calls Tesla the largest AI project in the world, not a simple car company. A software and robotics powerhouse building self-driving robotaxis, humanoid robots, and real-time data learning systems. She predicts Tesla's robot business could generate $26 trillion in value, more than any company in history. And she's not talking about 2050. She means this decade, which is 2030s. AI will replace some jobs, no question about that. According to Cathie, repetitive rule-based roles like call center agents, junior analysts, office workers, passive portfolio managers, all are at risk. But she's also optimistic. She says AI will create demand for roles where humans shine. For example, creative thinkers, coaches and caregivers, educators and trainers, AI prompt engineers, and supervisors. In her view, we are not heading for mass unemployment. We're heading toward a re-skilled, reimagined workforce. Okay, this one sounds like a science fiction, but it's already happening. AI plus gene editing is actually curing diseases, not managing them. Cathie says sickle cell disease is not being cured with a single treatment. Impressive. Cancers may be found before they cause symptoms. Very impressive. CRISPR, C-R-I-S-P-R technology can actually edit your DNA to fix things before they go wrong. That's scary. Imagine your body is like a computer, and now we are learning how to delete the viruses before they crash the system. That sounds very spooky to me. And yes, she believes this will also create massive investment opportunities. Cathie believes this technology wave will double global GDP growth from 3% to 7.3% annually. That's like compounding the global economy twice as fast. Why? Because she believes that AI reduces cost, robots increase output, and innovations like autonomous cars and AI doctors scale endlessly. More productivity, lower cost, more wealth. In theory, it's a perfect macro storm. Now, I love Cathie's optimism. She's been early before and often right over a long term. But I take her forecast with a pinch of a macro salt. Yes, AI will boost productivity and unlock new wealth. But let's not ignore the human impact. Millions of people will lose jobs. Many won't retrain fast enough, and cheaper technology often leads to deflation, not inflation. While she sees 7.3% GDP growth, I wonder who is spending in that scenario. How are workers displaced by robots earning enough to contribute to that growth? We need to balance the opportunity story with a real discussion on inequality, displacement, and how society adjusts. Because the innovation will come for sure, but whether we will all benefit from it, that's a different question. If you want to understand how macro technology and finance intersect, check out the course I designed to understand macro fundamentals. It will break it down in plain English for you. And if you want to stay ahead of this AI-driven shift, join my WhatsApp community. We share insights daily on investing, innovation, and personal growth. Check the links in the description below. Because the future is being built right now. You can either be a consumer of it or an owner of it. On that note, hit the like button and subscribe and send this to someone who still thinks ChatGPT is the biggest threat to writers. See you in the next one. I just wanted to let you know that I also offer one-on-one consulting calls to the individuals who are looking to discuss their financial planning, their investment strategies, their kids' education planning, their immigration moves, as well as the young professionals, because I have been in the tech industry for almost 20 years. So I also offer one-on-one consulting calls to the young professionals who are looking to have their career development discussion with me, and also personal branding as well. So if you are looking to have some sort of an expert opinion, there is a calendar link in the description below. Book a 30 minutes call with me and I will be more than happy to help you out.